Okay, good morning everybody, and welcome again to the Three Little Pigs and No Indicators Trading Strategy Update in the Live Markets. As always, I will be looking at the Three Pigs Trading Strategy. It's a free ebook over here under free products on Forex Useful. The indicator I've got on my chart, it's available also on the website over here under products and the Three Little Pigs Swing Trade Indicator. The No Indicators Trading Strategy is also available over on the website, and that can be found here under the main menu. So let's go to the markets. So first up, Aussie dollar, not really doing a lot here. We're in an uptrend here from the weekly, although it's been quite sideways as we can see here on the weekly. The daily reflects that up and down, and on the 4-hour we've not been making very much money here. We've had, like, I think there's four losing trades here, and I think I had 2 losing trades here, and I'm just about to be stopped out here, so just basically waiting here, and if I get a new signal either on this candle or on the next candle, I'll be taking it long, because who knows when this is going to go back up. There's plenty of scope here on the weekly for it to go and make us some nice pips. So just take the next signal basically. Once I get stopped out, I'm very, very close here. Euro GBP. We're down and up here. The weekly's clearly down. The daily's up. We had the big gap up here. This was the information that came out on Thursday from the ECB. Draghi made a big speech about how it would be supporting the euro. So yeah, we're down and up here now. So nothing of interest for us at the moment. Euro JPY, we're short here again at the moment. Took a short trade here, and it's been not so bad, but it's been quite similar to USD Aussie dollar, in that, you know, we're not making much money in here. We're just taking the signals. This was a slight winner here, and then we had a couple of losers, I think, or one loser here, and now we're short again. So what we can do is take the signals and just let's see where it takes us. Okay, so Euro USD, I've been commenting on this for about 6 weeks now. The intention is to use this as a reference for anybody new to the Three Pigs. What I explained 6 weeks ago was that I mentioned this trade here where we made about 4 or 5%. Then we had 4 or 5 losers here, and I got a lot of emails saying, John, shall I wait until the market starts trending again? And I covered it in the newsletter, and I said basically I'll be taking the next signal. This was the next signal here, straight thing, first thing on Monday morning, well, midday on Monday. So you all had a chance to read the report. Took the next signal, and basically just haven't looked back since then. So up around 20% down here, which I highlighted in the report this week. And basically I've taken 10% off the table here, and I've got my stop loss trailing as normal for the remaining, as it stands at the moment, 10%. But there's no reason why this can't go on and make another 10%. Who knows? But basically I've taken half my position off, and now I'll just trail my stop as I teach on the one-on-one. Yeah, and if you are new to Three Pigs, it is worth going back and looking at the, I think about 6 weeks ago was the first commentary on Euro USD. If you want to find it, just go over here and have a look under Three Little Pigs weekly updates, and you can go back to where's the first Euro USD? Yeah, I think you can go back to this 20th of July report, and from there you'll be able to follow this trade and see the ins and outs of the system. in real time as it is. Okay, GBP USD, we're down again here. The weekly changed over. The daily's been down for quite some time, so now the weekly's caught up. On the 4-hour chart, we've had a few signals here which we haven't taken because the long and medium term trends weren't confirming for us. So this was the last signal, and actually it was this point here where all the time frames lined up. So we're short here from around 16484, and already nicely in the money. Even if you're trailing your stop, you've still got an in the money stop here, and for sure we're going to make some money on this trade as well. Maybe not as much as Euro USD, but who knows. So USD CAD. Up and down here, so there's nothing of interest for us. The weekly's up, and we're just moving up and down here across the moving average on the daily, so nothing of interest here for us yet. USD Swiss, been in this trade since the end of August. I think it was this candle here, and I think about at this point here in the market, we're about 5% up on this trade, but those trailing won't be up 5%, probably about 2 or 3. So basically, I just, the trailing stops in place, so with plenty of wiggle room here to retrace a little and then let the market do what it's going to do. USD JPY, I think the entry was about the similar time to the USD Swiss trade, so in somewhere down here, and again at this current market price we're up about 4% or something like that, so with a tighter trailing stop here because the moving average has followed the price more closely, so we're about 3% up here with the current stop loss just below the moving average based on the average true range. Gold as well, I mention almost every week. It's not something I really trade, but really nice move here. For this entry here meant that we had a very tight stop loss, or you would have had if you traded it. Very tight stop loss, so well in the money here, and even if you get stopped out right here, probably about 3 or 4% at least on that trade. As I say, not something I traded, so I can't give you any more accurate numbers than that, other than bore you by working it all out now, which I won't. So that's it on 3 pigs, and I'll move over to the no indicators trading now. Nothing's really changed since the update in the weekly report. So, but with this gap down here now, I have moved my trailing stop down to here, so, well, I haven't, but I will do it after this session. So with this price action down here now, I'm happy that this is the level where the bulls are going to take control if they get back up here. So I'll be taking a long position here, and I'll move my stop later on today. If we just move lower from here, I won't change my stop yet. I will just wait and see what price action does, and be happy with the stop loss at this level at the moment. Some great returns here. I think it's about 600 pips or something like that. So, and 150 pips stop loss initially or something. So nice trade, and finally we've got some good moves, and it's just starting to pay off again. So Euro USD, quite similar to GBP USD. We had a slightly bigger initial stop, so we haven't made as big a return on this trade yet, but there's a chance that we will. So stop loss, when this low was taken, I moved my stop to here, and down at these levels I'm just I'm waiting for this to break, and if the price action is significant enough, we move down 50-60 pips, then I'll trail this stop loss down and lock in a little bit more here. But I just need to see a little bit more confirmation here. When I want to see this low taken out and a good move down to convince me that this is where I should be long should the market turn around. Euro JPY, really unfortunate here. Well, unfortunate, it's just what the market does. Basically, I had a market order to go long here and what to go short here. I just got spiked into my long trade here, and what's happened since then? It's gone south straight away. So Euro JPY continues to be the most disappointing currency on the 4-hour time frame on NITs this year, but I will stick with it as usual. So at the moment I'm just waiting for my stop loss to be taken out here, and I've got my short order in here. If you wish to get involved in this trade and go long, it's an excellent opportunity to get in at a price here with a tight stop. So if we do get a move back up here, you're going to be in the money 4 or 5 times by the time we get back up here. So there's a good chance to get in there at a bargain price kind of thing, with obviously keeping your short order down here. And on that note, that's about it. Sorry for changing the time today. I just had something unexpected come up earlier on, so I couldn't be around for the original scheduled time. Those of you watching on YouTube, there's a subscribe button up here. There will be. And just to finish off there, I know it's slightly off topic, but there's a really great post. I'm just trying to find it. There's a really great post here from Nigel. It's a follow-up to a video posted by somebody that's using Nigel's free strategy. So the price action swing trading strategy is available over here. It's free strategy. Really excellent follow-up post by Nigel at the weekend, which talks about the video which Stuart produced. So you can watch the video there on YouTube as well. And obviously, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, you'll be notified of any new videos anyway. So, and on that note, thank you for listening to me. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great week. All the best.